Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to open the Turn Off the Lights extension options page in 3 different ways, and trust me, the third one will long but good to know. First up, the easiest one. Just double-click on that cute little gray lamp button and boom, a mini settings panel pops up. Then just click the Options button. Easy win. Way number 2. Right-click. That's right, right-click the lamp button and smash that Options menu item. And the third way. Click that puzzle piece icon in your toolbar and click on the button Manage Extensions. Now a new page show up with all your installed browser extensions. And click on the Detail button that in the Turn Off the Lights rectangle. Then scroll down and click on the button Extension Options. Boom, you're in. Like a boss. And that's how you open the Turn Off the Lights options page. Which way was your favorite? Tell me down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.